Hello everyone, I'm your host, here to guide you through the process of maintaining and changing the oil in your car at home. Today, we'll dive into a task that's both practical and rewarding. Learning to change your car's oil at home can save you money, add convenience to your life, and equip you with a valuable skill. Stick around and you'll discover how simple it can be. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to perform your own oil change. In order to get started, we need to make sure we have all the necessary tools and materials. First and foremost, you'll need an oil filter specifically designed for your vehicle. The same goes for engine oil. Make sure it's the right type and grade for your car. To remove the old oil filter, you'll need an oil filter wrench. A socket set will also come in handy for removing the oil drain plug. Of course, we can't forget about the oil drain pan. This is where the old oil will be collected. To help pour the new oil into the engine, a funnel is essential. And last but certainly not least, you'll need a pair of gloves. It's a messy job after all. For safety, it's crucial to have safety glasses and gloves. These will protect your eyes and skin from any splashes of oil. Remember, safety comes first. Always wear appropriate clothing and safety gear. Now that we have all our tools and materials ready, we can begin the oil change process. But first, a quick word on safety. Make sure your car is securely elevated on jack stands and you're wearing safety glasses and gloves. The last thing we want is an accident. Let's start by locating the oil drain plug and oil filter. These are usually found on the underside of your car. Remember, every car is different, so consult your vehicle's manual if you're having trouble finding them. Next, we're going to remove the oil drain plug. But before we do that, let's position our oil drain pan right underneath the plug. We don't want any spills, do we? Now, using your socket set, carefully unscrew the drain plug. As soon as you remove the plug, the old oil will start to drain out. Give it some time to ensure all the old oil drains out completely. While the oil drains, let's turn our attention to the oil filter. Using your oil filter wrench, carefully unscrew the old filter. Be prepared for some oil spillage here as well. Once removed, clean the area around the filter housing to ensure a good seal for the new filter. Now, before installing the new oil filter, take a small amount of fresh engine oil and apply it to the rubber gasket on the top of the filter. This helps to seal the filter and makes future removals easier. Screw the new filter into place by hand. You don't want to over-tighten it, so follow the manufacturer's instructions. By now, the old oil should have drained out completely. Replace the drain plug and tighten it securely, but be careful not to over-tighten. Here's a crucial bit. Don't let the old oil just end up in your trash. It's harmful to the environment and improper disposal is illegal in many places. Many auto parts stores will recycle used oil for free, so take advantage of that. Proper disposal of the old oil is not just environmentally friendly, but it's also the law. We're at the final stages of our oil change process. This is where we reintroduce fresh engine oil to the car. Remember, selecting the right oil is crucial. Consult your car's manual for specifications. Once you're ready to pour, grab your funnel and gently pour the new oil into the engine. Take your time with this step, you don't want to spill any oil. Next up, we check the oil level with the dipstick. Pull it out, wipe it clean, then reinsert it to get an accurate reading. The oil should be between the two marks on the dipstick. If it's low, add more oil, but do it gradually. You don't want to overfill the engine, as that can cause problems too. Now, on to the cleanup. Dispose of the used oil responsibly. Many auto parts stores and recycling centers will take it off your hands. The same goes for the old oil filter and any other waste. Finally, it's time to check for oil leaks and ensure the oil level is correct after the oil change. Start your car and let it run for a few minutes, then turn it off and check the oil level again. If it's still within the correct range and there are no leaks, you've successfully changed your oil. And there you have it, a complete oil change right from the comfort of your own driveway. To wrap it all up, we've learned how to safely and conveniently change our car's oil, saving money and gaining valuable skills. If you enjoyed this, please subscribe, like, and share for more DIY car maintenance tips. Thank you very much for watching. Feel free to ask any questions in the comments section. Until next time, happy motoring.
Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please subscribe and don't forget to share, likes and comment.